Top tips for using Sky Stream. As you're getting to know your Sky Stream, here are some top tips to try out. Press the voice control button, speak into the microphone beneath the Sky logo, and go directly to what you're looking for. TV Guide. Home. Ready to get back to recent channels, apps, or shows? Scroll left on your home screen to see your recent activity. In the TV Guide, press left to view the channels by category. Press and hold right to jump ahead up to 7 days. While you're watching live TV, you can see information about what's on now and next. Scroll up and down to see what's on the next channels in the TV Guide, or enter a number to see what's on that channel. Distracted while watching TV? Use the play and pause button to pause what you're watching. To rewind what you're watching, press left. And to fast forward, press right. Press again to speed up. And when you want to watch again, just press play. To skip to a particular part of a show, press and hold left to move backwards or right to move forwards. Don't forget, you can view your bill, manage your account, and more in My Sky. For more information, go to sky.com/help or say My Sky to your Sky Stream.